Drop shipping on Amazon in 2021. Looking for a way to get started selling on Amazon but don't want to spend a lot of time or money doing it? Enter drop shipping on Amazon. If you ask an experienced e-commerce seller for a good way to get started selling products online without breaking the bank or spending a ton of time, chances are they are going to tell you that drop shipping is the way to go. In this article, we will cover the following recent updates to consider. How does drop shipping on Amazon work? The advantage and disadvantage of drop shipping on Amazon. How to start drop shipping on Amazon. 5 tips for success when drop shipping on Amazon. Recent Amazon drop shipping updates. Before you jump into drop shipping on Amazon, please make sure you fully understand Amazon guidelines on drop shipping so you don't end up with a suspend account. On May 21st, 2021, Amazon sent out a reminder in Seller Central stating that they will update their policy page to ensure all sellers clearly understand their strict guidelines with regards to drop shipping on Amazon. If you violate the policy in any way, you may lose the ability to sell via FBM or even have your account suspended. In order to fill orders using a drop shippers, you must adhere to the following. You must be identified as the seller on all invoices, packing slips, external packing, and any other information included or provided with the product. There should be no mention of your supplier or manufacturer. You are responsible for accepting and processing returns. You must comply with all of Amazon's terms of service according to the seller agreement. Do not, and I repeat, do not purchase product from another online retailer and have them ship the product to your customer. This is a big no. No from Amazon, and they will suspend you for